Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build the best DIY floating shelves that look like this. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, I'll walk you through the assembly of the best floating shelves through a quick time lapse, and I'll explain to you step by step how to build, sand, and stain those floating shelves to obtain the best result. By the way, I'll also provide custom links to the products used in this video, so if you guys are interested, you can check it out below. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please smash that like button down here, subscribe on the bottom right here, and hit that bell to get the latest video uploads right on your feed. So without further ado, to get the perfect matching color that you're looking for, you let it rest for about 20 seconds. Get a rag, preferably clean or whatever you wish. Start from one end, wipe it down guys, all the way through. Make sure it's well wide. If you come over here quickly, you can see the difference right away. Much darker here. This is the color we're going for. Come have a look at this color. There you go, look at this. Alright guys, so this can happen when you see clear spots here that you've missed with the brush. You just kind of quickly go over it, add a bit of stain. That's it. So now that we're done the stain, we're gonna let this dry. So while we're waiting for this to dry, I'm gonna show you guys how to support that floating shelf onto the wall. So we're gonna be building a support with 2x4s, which will go in here. All right guys, so I'm gonna show you guys how to measure this quickly. Really, it's an easy step. We wanna make sure that you're precise on that. So basically I took a 2x4, and the way you measure this, guys, same way we measure it as usual. So you go to the end. And now I know that inside I need about 58 inches, and then you measure from this corner inside. Okay, 6 inches, 3/4 here, 6 inches, 3/4 here. So then we need to calculate 6 inches, 3/4 minus 1.5 inches, which will basically give us 5 inches and 1/4. So those are going to be the cross pieces, which will help support the weight of the floating shelf. We'll need to do at 5 inches and 1/4. Want a hole on top. See, if you come a bit closer, you'll be able to see this. I'll drill just about halfway through the wood to make sure we have good grip on our marks. There you go guys, we made our holes. So let's cut our 5 inches and 1/4 pieces. Safety glasses, very important guys. As you can see, we're set up here. We have our small blocks. We're going to be using it to install frost. So we screwed our holes. We know exactly where we're going to be screwing. So I use a 1/4 inch Diyflo drill it here just to get in so that it makes it easier for that screw to grip. I'm gonna do this in every hole. I'll show you guys this for this example here. I don't go all the way through, just kind of halfway. A bit here, and I use 3-inch floor screws or deck screws. Kind of drill that in. Helps you out once you install your block. And then kind of position just like this with glue, very important. You can see guys, this is going nowhere, very tight. So you do the same thing to the 5 pieces here. I'll show you right afterward what it looks like once this is all assembled together. It takes about a few minutes and we're gonna be ready to go. This is what the frame looks like. Okay, very solid. Put some wood glue on here. And how you're going to install this is on the wall, like this here. You locate the studs, drill here, go into the studs, usually every 16 inches. And once you're into the studs, this will hold strong. Make sure it's level. Use a level, laser level, or just regular level. I prefer laser level because you can see it from a distance, and you can also work with your 2 hands while you're installing it. And then once that's done, you take your shelf, put it in, kind of glide it in, and gives you that final look. So I'll show you guys a bit later what this is going to look like. Alright guys, so This is not exactly that same shelf we just built, but just to show you an example of how these floating shelves hold up. So as you can see here, this is a model. Very simple, guys. You take your two hands, each corner, pull it out. Look at that. The inside's coming out. You can do it. This is actually one of the charcoal ones that we've made. As you can see here, if you come a bit closer, just to show you, we have this frame support here on the studs, which is very solid. We have the wood coming out, which was glued, so you can put some weight on here, no problem at all. And to reinstall this, you simply take both hands, take that in. Ideally, you grab one corner first, take the other one in, push it in, and you're ready to go. So this is how you install this, all right? Just make sure you don't wipe that with a rag. So as you can see here, we're going with a brush. Best try to look. This is freshly varnished, and right over here you have no varnish. So we put a coat of varnish on here, and we're going to be using 220 to lightly and quickly sand this portion, and then we'll wipe it off, make sure it's nice and clean, put that second coat of varnish, and then we're ready to go. Alright guys, welcome back. So now we're at the final process. We're done. We're actually done the final process. We put that final coat, varnish matte coat. So this is looking great. As you can see here, we have a 45-degree angle in front. So this looks amazing. So if you guys enjoyed this project here, make sure you hit that like button, guys. We greatly appreciate it. And also leave your comments below. Any feedback, comments, if you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to participate in answering you. And also, remember to subscribe, guys, hit that bell, make sure you receive the latest videos on how to make wood projects from GypCShop. So thanks for viewing, guys, well appreciated, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.